woanders hin. Mighty church bells, ignore the deceiving rays of days. They are slaves of the evil one. Do you really think your mission is done in this world? You're so young, there are many things you haven't seen yet, many experiences you still haven't made. If you leave us now, you'll never come back. There's no return.